Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify store with a GoDaddy domain, step by step, so your website points to your store correctly and you can start using your custom domain with confidence. This is a really useful setup if you've already bought your domain through GoDaddy and now want to launch your Shopify store under a professional web address. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Shopify walkthroughs. Let's get into it. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside Shopify, look at the menu and go to Settings. Then click Domains. This is the section where Shopify lets you manage all the domain connections for your store. If you're using a domain from another provider, like GoDaddy, this is where the connection process begins. Now click Connect Existing Domain. Since your domain is already registered with GoDaddy, you do not need to buy a new one through Shopify. You're simply linking the domain you already own to your Shopify store. Next, type in your domain name exactly as it appears in GoDaddy, then click Next. Shopify will now prepare the connection instructions for you. At this point, Shopify will show you the DNS values you need to copy over to GoDaddy. These are the records that tell the internet where your domain should point. You'll usually need two main values. The first is the A record IP address, which points your root domain to Shopify. The second is the CNAME record for www, and that should point to shops.myshopify.com. Make sure you copy these values carefully, because even a small typo can stop the connection from working properly. Now open a new tab and go to GoDaddy. Sign into your GoDaddy account using the same account that owns the domain. Once you're logged in, click My Products. This area shows all of the domains and services tied to your account. Under the Domain section, find the domain you want to connect to Shopify. Click on it, then choose DNS or Manage DNS. This is where GoDaddy lets you edit the DNS records for your domain. Now you need to update the records. Start with the A record. Find the A record that uses the @ symbol because that represents your main domain. Replace the current value with the Shopify IP address you copied earlier from Shopify. After that, save the change. Then move to the CNAME record for www. Edit that record so it points to shops.myshopify.com. Again, make sure the spelling is exact. This CNAME is important because it makes sure people can access your store whether they type your domain with www or without it. After updating both records, save everything in GoDaddy. DNS Changes can take a little while to update, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. In some cases, it can connect within a few minutes, but it may also take longer depending on DNS propagation. Once the records are saved, go back to Shopify and return to the Domains page. Here, click Verify Connection. Shopify will check your DNS settings and confirm whether the GoDaddy domain is now pointing correctly to your store. If everything was entered correctly, your domain should connect successfully. At that point, your Shopify store is linked to your GoDaddy domain and ready for visitors. You can now use your custom branded domain instead of the default Shopify address, which looks much more professional for customers. If Shopify says the connection is still pending, just wait a little longer and try again later. Also, double check that your A record and CNAME were entered exactly as required. Most connection problems come from small DNS mistakes, so reviewing those records carefully usually fixes the issue. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect Shopify with a GoDaddy domain using the correct DNS sites. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more simple Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.